about to burn down the thrones. We need a change. Look at the world that we live. Look how the evil is grown. All the innocence lost. We need a new beginning, man. The vision is off. We need to wage war. Yeah, we need to rage on. I'm here. War boots, I'ma buy a pair. No suits, just fighters here. Grassroots and some riot gear. I'm still fly like a pilot chair. Brave hearts never die in fear. I ain't a stranger to the danger. I'ma live and I'm dying here. Yeah. So I'm looking up more, cause I know what I'm up for. Cause we need a change, and I'm starting an uproar. We started a ruckus. Yeah, we started a ruckus.
Hello everybody, PZ00 Bravo back at you, and today we're going to hop inside Photoshop and put together our own thumbnail. We all know thumbnail's important, so let's go over a couple of quick rules, right? Lettering has to be bold, has to be able to be seen on the small screens or the big screens, so you got to cut that 50-50. You want brighter colors, you want something that pops, that pizzazz, that snap, that look at me, that wow, what was that? And then you also want to set an attitude, a tone. What are you creating? What are you talking about? Is it a cliche clickbait kind of thing, or are you creating something original with some punch to it? I'm no pro at this, okay guys? I'm gonna try to stay on topic this time and get this done. Titan was great. He was the star today, but he had a long day filming, so, you know, had to step out for a second. Let's come back to this, okay? We're gonna hop inside Photoshop today. I left some freeware in the description for anybody that needed that. Please hit that subscribe button. Didn't want to help you out first. Let's jump into Photoshop, make some clip art, see where we can get that balance at, and maybe get somebody to click on your next thumbnail, just like you happen to click on this thumbnail. Guys, I'm PZ00. Let's start this show.
Okay, this is where we begin. We're going to jump over here to the right, and we're going to select the proper layer, come back over to the left, and then let's select our pen tool. And then we get to draw our mask. This is where I'm going to bring the music back up and go ahead and let y'all listen more.
And I spray like I got a Beretta, and the bullets inside of my head, they go. I use my tongue as a weapon. I use my lung and my breath is pushing out the effort. I'm best when I'm desperate and hungry and left to bogart you like Humphrey. Don't care if you love me. I'm doing something bigger than my situation. It's a journey, not a destination. Life is bigger than the issue making.
Okay, now that is what I'm talking about. That is some good clip art. Now, let's go ahead and bring in some backgrounds and see what kind of contrast we can create on these characters in the foreground. Maybe we can give to it or take away. I don't know. We're just going to have to see where this one goes. Oh, I like that one, guys. It kind of gives me a little bit of a help us grow kind of vibe when I look at it. Now let's grab this YouTube splatter effect and throw it in here and give some bite to this bark and this dog. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, just so you know, music really is helpful whenever you're doing a tedious job such as this. When you get done with your mask, there's one thing to remember. You're going to need your transform properties to warp, bend, stretch, and skew. So if you head up top to your bar and hit edit and then come down to transform, you will always find that menu right there under your fingertips. From here, it's a matter of personal preference, everybody. Where do you want to put things? How does the eye look with you? And how does a picture feel with you and your eye? So, you know, you got to play with this part. It could take hours, days, months, years. Well, I don't know about all that, but it can take a while. But when you get it, you'll know. It'll be one of those boom kind of moments for you. Now, when you jump back over to the right side of your screen, you'll find your text controls panel. This is where you're going to control your color, your width, and your scale, and such things like that that really make your text shine more. Everybody, you are seriously in personal preference area now, so if you need to pause and take a moment to get yours right, please go ahead. Feel free. I won't go anywhere. But if we're going to follow through with this, I'm not liking that background, so after we finish this text, let's start working on something for that. Right now, though, let's make this text pop.
We need a new beginning, man, the vision is off. We need to wage war. Yeah, we need to rage on. I'm here. War boots, I'ma buy a pair. No suits, just fighters here. Grass since I'm white, yeah. I'm still fly like a pilot, yeah. Brave hearts never die in fear. I ain't a stranger to the danger. I'ma live and I'm dying here, yeah. So I'm looking up more, cause I know what I'm up for. Cause we need a change, and I'm starting an uproar. We started a ruckus. Yeah, we started a ruckus.
Come back over to your layer panel. Go down to the bottom of it. You'll see a little FX icon down there. That's where you're going to get your drop shadows, your glosses, your embosses, your gradients, and everything else to add to your text or any layer that you're working with. Tool around in there, have some fun, and see what you can come up with. As you begin to finalize your final look, go ahead and use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out on the picture so that you can see it big and small, because we don't know what devices somebody's going to be using out there to possibly click our thumbnail. So we want to ensure that they can see it, read it, and feel it from both sides, big or small. All right, we've reached that home run stretch, everybody. So let's go ahead and come down to the right side again, and we're going to hit the little circle icon down there. And this time it's going to bring up our solid colors and our adjustment layers. Go ahead and use those to really set the basics in and bring it all together. As I said, the letters are taken away from everything, so let's just put a solid color in and go with it. It has that pizzazz that you're looking for. Go with it. Oh yeah. See, I'm liking how this came together. Well guys, just remember, save, and tool around, have some fun, learn some stuff. I'm PZ00, and I'm happy you came here to watch this today. Please remember, hit that like, subscribe, and share. Help us grow, just like we're going to try to help you as we go around YouTube. Until next time, this is PZ00, and I am